If you'd like to see a quick review to decide if you'd like to purchase these Betsey Johnson Sidney shoes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video, this is going to be just a quick little unboxing. So these are a pair of Betsey Johnson kid shoes. These are called the Sidney. They're very sparkly and cute, that's why I purchased them. They look a lot better on the website. I originally was going to get me a pair just like hers, but when I saw hers, I wasn't really impressed with the shine. I felt like they could have did a little bit better, but let me just go ahead and get into it. Now at first glance, they look really sparkly and cute, but we're just going to zoom in just a little bit more. And I actually sent a pair back because they were too little, so I got her a size 4. Okay, and the size 4 was like too tight. They don't do half sizes, so I had to order a 5, and the 5 was way too big. So I bought these probably back in April. It's September and they're still too big, so in a couple months they should be able to fit. But let's just get into this pink. This pink is super cute. My daughter's 8 years old. We have a lot in common. We both love pink. We're super girly girls and we like the bling. So these shoes just made sense, okay? They were $70, but they had some type of deal where you, I guess you register your email and you get like 20% off. So however, they ended up being, I believe, free shipping and like $55. So let's just get a little closer here. So when you get in closer, I guess some of the rhinestones were like, I don't know if they were coming off, but like right there, that little black dot there. And then there's some other areas like that. So I guess they used some hot fix rhinestones on here. And I don't know, like there's even some type of string here. What I'm trying to say is they look like they were cheaply made. It doesn't look like a shoe that's worth $70. You see this little string? There's like a little string hanging off there, and I don't feel like I'm being picky. I just feel like if you look very closely, I'm not sure if the camera's picking this up. It just looks, these stones don't look, it just looks like it's a bunch of hot glue. Let me see. I just want this to like really focus, so just give me a second here. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it looks like it's a bunch of cloudy hot glue behind here. And I zoomed in on the shoes on the website and it does not look like this. And remind you, this is the second pair because the first one was too little. So I thought maybe it was just that shoe. No. And there's some areas where it looks like the rhinestones are actually missing. Remind you, she's never wore these before. So kids can be a little rough. So I really wouldn't suggest if you have a child that's like really rough, to buy these for $70. I mean, they're super cute. This would make a cute birthday shoe. And it would cost more than $70 to make these. Well, if you use, well, yeah. In the rhinestones, you would probably pay about $70. And that's a lot of time also that would go into this, because these rhinestones are very tiny. Then there's the bigger sizes there. But other than that, and then but yeah, so that's that. Size 5. They don't come in half sizes. Let me show you how it looks on the website. Well, this is dsw.com, but it's the same on the actual website, on her Betsey Johnson website. And on here, the shoe looks really pretty, very sparkly. Nothing looks cloudy in the background of it. But when you get the shoe, it does not look this good. It just doesn't. But it's still a cute shoe. And my daughter will still rock these and make them look good. But when I saw hers, I was just like, no, I'm cool. I won't be making me one. But, I mean, I won't be buying a pair for myself. It's just poor quality. And I was really surprised. So I thought Betsey Johnson was like a big deal. And they look so good on the website. I guess they're not that bad. It depends on what your standards are. But being into bling and the quality of a good rhinestone. Now, with the quality being as low as it is, for a kid's shoes, 70 bucks is not, in my opinion, it's not cheap. I feel like they could have made these shoes maybe $30. Maybe. But if I don't know if you can see this, but behind these rhinestones here, the glue is very white and cakey looking. Let's see if we can get that to just, do you see what I'm saying here? It's not that noticeable if they're on your feet, but when you pay for something and you think it's gonna look like how it looks online and it doesn't, it's a little disappointing. Actually, it's a lot disappointing. And then some of these rhinestones simply just overlap each other, which means that they're not really going to be sturdy and they may start falling off once the shoe begins to be worn. And then just even here, like, where's the quality control here? It's like glue oozing out right here. Definitely wouldn't buy another pair. And I know I'm super zoomed in really close and this isn't something that people would notice, but me noticing it was enough. You see how this rhinestone looks black because it's already flipped upside down? There's just a lot of inconsistencies here. And they could do a little better. I'm just saying. Like even here, this is what I wanted to show you here too. Do you see this clouded area of glue here? It's just, that's just not what I was expecting. And all along this area. And yeah, I could send them back, but my daughter liked these shoes and I did send them back and the quality was still poor. But I'm glad that I did get 20% off of these, because if it was the full 70, I would have had to probably just get a full refund. But from here it looks cute, right? But it's just once you see the details, then it's like kind of a turn off. Anyway, now that I've shown you the inconsistencies and the strings hanging, just weird strings just hanging. I could snip that off. I don't know if you can see that, but there's multiple strings randomly. I decided they're already really pretty and jazzy, but to add some rhinestone shoestrings. So I ordered these off Amazon, and I think these will just bump these up even more, you know, to make them extra cute. They're not the exact pink, but I feel like they're close enough, and this will be extra fun for my baby girl shoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these shoestrings out. So I am removing the shoestrings so I can go ahead and put in the rhinestone shoestrings, which I'm so excited about. And as you can see, they're very sparkly, they're very, very pretty. Now, keep in mind that these shoestrings aren't meant to like really be tied. You can kind of just put them in there really cute. These are more so for the look. If you yank them and try to tie them too tight, they just may break. So be careful with that. And I will have a link where you can purchase these from Amazon. I think they were about $15 and I did get 2 pair. These look really pretty. And I know I probably went in on these shoes a little bit, but I think I was just giving a very honest review and just getting up close so you can see what they're really about. Alright, so here is the final look of these shoes. Now that I have added the shoestrings with the rhinestones, I feel like they blend in very well. They aren't the exact color, but they almost are. Now I did tie them both differently. This one I gave it like a little loose knot, because remember, you can't yank on these too hard and ridiculous because they'll snap. There's the cloudiness there and everything. That's if you're up close, but at a distance they do look different. Also, like I said, these would be nice if they were a bit cheaper for the poor quality. But overall, they're still cute, and I like them even more with these shoestrings. And my daughter loves these shoestrings. Now this shoestring, I tied it up like, you know, the normal basic way. Real gentle. I didn't want to do too much yanking on them. So if the shoes are big, you don't want to use these to make them fit. You just want these to be a cute accessory, you know? So I hope this video did help you if you were deciding if you want to purchase these shoes. They're still cute. The pink is cute. They're girly. They're jazzy. They're bedazzled. They're just a little cloudy and a little oozed with glue in certain areas. So I hope this did help you decide yay or nay if you want these, or maybe you got a pair and yours isn't as cloudy in certain areas like this. I don't know. But like I said, I had my hands on 2 pair and they both were poor quality just the same. But thanks you guys for watching this video. If it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook if you think it'll help someone else. And hello to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate all of you, all of my subscribers. And I'll be hitting 20,000 subscribers very, very soon. And I'm very grateful, and that's so exciting. And I do plan to keep my uploads consistent. And I have a lot of different playlists and other videos you can check out if you like to. Thank you all so much for stopping by. It'll be awesome if you do subscribe. And if you are going to subscribe, make sure that you do hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted each time I upload a new video. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.